Hello. Happy day after Christmas. I hope you guys had a great holiday. Mine was very different. Yeah, a lot of things were different this year. But anywho, it was good. Got to spend time with family. I'm healthy. I ate a lot. Things that I probably should not have eaten, but hey, it is what it is. But hopefully you guys are doing great. I had a client that asked me, do I love what I do? And many of you probably don't know. They obviously don't know either because I don't really share that part. But, you know, I went to a 4-year school. I got my BA in psychology. And then right after that, I got my master's in social work. Yep, got my master's in social work. Practiced actually for 20 years. So my answer to him was, I love helping people, and that was actually the truth. You know, the reason why I got into social work was because I enjoy helping people. That is just, anybody that knows me, I'm born in March. I'm a Pisces, so I have that caring side, that giving side, that loving side. So I naturally love helping people. I used to love volunteer. I hadn't done it in a while, I guess, because I have kids. They take up all my time. But I just love helping people. So that was actually the God's honest truth. I love helping people. You know, why did I start a business in the cleaning industry? That's one of the reasons. Some of my friends would always tell me, oh my God, you're so good at cleaning. I'm like, okay, isn't everybody good at cleaning? I'm like, I just thought it was something that came natural to everyone. Lo and behold, it is not. I know, you know, people very close to me that actually struggle with just managing it. And it's nothing, not a diss on them and like, oh, you're better because you can have a clean home. No, they have talents that I don't have. I say that to say that it's hard with everything that we have going on. I did social work for 20 plus years. One of the reasons why I got out of social work was because it was so hard for me to manage my life, being a single mother, working a 9 to 5 and getting my kids. Like that was like one of the main reasons why I got out of social work was I took that leap of faith to say, I am tired of having to struggle to get off of work. And a lot of times what I did, I was out in the field. I was working with the people, working with children. So a lot of times I had to go after hours. And because so after practicing 20 plus years of social work, what I ran into was I struggled with trying to get my kids in the evening, and it would, you know, and especially when they were younger. So I did it, you know, my oldest daughter is 18 now, but there was a time when she was, you know, in daycare and she was in grade school and in middle school. And now, you know, she's in high school. I don't have to necessarily worry about that. But, you know, then I had to do that same thing over again with my youngest daughter. So one of the reasons why I took the leap of faith, and it literally was a leap of faith, not having a check come in every 2 weeks, was because I got so frustrated having to have that balance in my work and in my life. And I was like, no, I shouldn't have to do this. I shouldn't have to struggle this much to be able to provide for my family. So taking that leap of faith, was it scary as hell? Hell yeah. It was very scary, but I did it in a way. I took the leap of faith. And I don't think I will look back. I will not. If I had anything to say, you know, 2 years into it and changing it into anything, I wouldn't change anything. Are there hard days? Yep. Are there slow days? Yep. All of that. But at the end of the day, you know, I had a cleaning today. Started at 9 a.m. and I'm done at 11:30. Now I have the rest of the day that I have to do things for my family, like going to the store right now. I'm trying to pick up some things for my daughter. So it's just these little things, you know. I'm now able to take my daughter to, you know, the little jump place that I have a membership at, where she can go hang out and jump and do stuff like that. So those little things add up. Well, let me correct that. let me take that back. It is not a little thing. That was a huge thing. That was one of my main stressors that I had when I was raising my kids, for little kids. So, you know, I say all of that to say, do I love what I do? I do. You know how some people get up in the morning, oh, I hate. No, even though I'm cleaning people's houses, I'm cleaning people's shit, y'all. I'm cleaning people's shit. But guess what? At the end of the day, I'm my own boss. I get to say no. I get to say yes, even through the good times and the very bad times and the struggles. I get to determine that, and I don't take that for granted. I don't take that for granted that people allow me to come into their homes, the most intimate place that you have. And I really enjoy it. I really do. Bye, guys.